Hello everyone, Mrs. Olson here. We're going to start with a little bit of review. We've been learning about the American Revolution, and we started with the French and Indian War and how this created sides being the British and the Americans. Then we moved into the Intolerable Acts and learned how these laws made the colonists resent England. And from there, we studied about different and important groups that played major roles, like the Patriots and Loyalists and the Sons of Liberty. Our next lessons are going to focus on battles of the American Revolution. Now, we aren't going to study all of them. That would be way too many. But we are going to learn about 5 that span over the Revolutionary years of 1775 to 1778. So here's what you're going to do with each of them. I am going to click on the Battle of Lexington in Concord, and what you are going to see is a link to a website and also a video. Let's begin with the learning target, which says that you'll be able to demonstrate understanding of a major event of the American Revolution. Okay, so each of the lessons for the battles are going to have the same learning target. Okay, so each lesson page has a link to this website called the Duxter's Education Site, and you are going to be able to read about each battle and fill in your battle notes. I'll get to that in a second. This Duxter's page is kind of neat because at the bottom of each one you can listen to the page. Someone will read it and then you can follow along as they read. The very first one, the Battle of Lexington and Concord, actually has this video playing, so you can watch the video and follow along as they read this same information. Okay? So, each lesson, back to the lesson page, each lesson also has a video for each battle to help the ideas sink in with pictures and a narrator explaining things. But I want to make sure that you read first and then watch the video, okay? Now, on to the assignment. So at the top, you see that it says American Revolution Battle Notes 4, and you are going to fill this in. So the name of each battle will go on this purple line here, okay? So you're going to answer the questions for each battle using this template. A template is a guide that is left blank for your answers. Okay, so for each battle, you are going to answer these 3 questions, and you'll be able to find the answers on the Duxter's site. So the first question is, who were the major people involved? If you would like to put this answer in list form, you can. The second question says, provide important details about the battle. Now I want you to use at least 5. If you'd like to put this in list form, you can do that too. So important battles would be things like maybe the number of casualties, the number of people who were killed. It might be an important battle tactic, or something else that sticks out about the battle, okay? And the third one, the last one, is what was the outcome? Outcome means what happened at the end of the battle. What is the result? You can even think of it as what was the big deal with learning about this battle, okay? So you can print this out and write on it, or you can use this as a digital copy and type your answers. So each one of the battles is going to be answered or You're going to learn about each of the battles and answer each of these questions. Okay, guys, hope this lesson helps with understanding what you're doing with the 5 battles and how to answer the questions on the battle notes form. Ask me questions if you have them. Bye!